so upon opening this box, we have the instructions, and then we have the doorknob right away, and it looks pretty good. It looks really, it's heavy, like it's really heavy duty. Everything looks good. The buttons, when I push them, they feel pretty solid. So it does feel really good. Like, it doesn't feel cheap. So there's a doorknob. Alright. Comes with that. And then it comes with a little electronic piece. We will find out what that is as soon as I install it. Alright, so I'm about to remove my old doorknob. For those of you that don't know, this is just 2 Phillips screws. You just remove it, and then the whole piece disassembles. So let's go ahead and remove that. Alright, on the side that there is no keypad, there's 2 screws. Just pop those 2 screws and you'll see that you have a connection here. So you need to remove that connection in order for you to separate the doorknob so you can put it through the door. Alright, so I put the keypad doorknob through. Then you just gotta put this wire through that hole. It's a little tight fit, but just get it through. Then you gotta put this through first, and then put the doorknob. Alright, so we have this piece off. So since we have the 2 screws off, and we have that exposed, we put it through the doorknob, lock it in, and you can actually put your screws through there and then drill them in. So it makes it a little easy. Alright. Alright, inside the doorknob, there's a black piece in here, and it looks like in this black piece, this is where the battery goes. So you just pull forward, and this plastic pieces flip out. Then you just add batteries. Alright, so this black little case here for the batteries takes 2 AAAs on each side. So you gotta open both covers and put AAAs in there. Alright, so installing that black battery pack here, looks like once we plug it in, see how it lights up. Now the doorknob's ready to go ahead and enter the new codes. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like once it's installed. It's really nice and shiny. Alright guys, to change the codes, it's a little tricky, but let me go ahead and show you. So the original master code is going to be 0, 1, 2, 3 pound. So that opens up the door. That's the master code. So in order for you to change the master code, you must put the original master code, hit 0, 1, 2, 3 pound, then you see the light, shut off, and it must start with the 0. So we're going to do 0, 1, 4, 7. And then we're gonna hit star. You see the 2 lights? Alright, so my new master code to open the door is 0, 1, 4, 7 pound. See? Opened it up. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 pound does not work anymore. So I reset the original master code. So the master code is gonna be 0, 1, 4, 7 pound, and then we're gonna put another code, just the regular codes, but it must start with 1 through 9. So I'm gonna put 1, 5, 9, 7 star. See that blink? 1, 5, 9, 7 pound. There we go. So now I got my master code, and then I got my basic user code for others. So alright, hopefully that helps. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button.